Something doesn't seem right here. I don't know what it is. I can't put my finger on it. From the serial number, it looks like this unit was installed around 06, which I remember that because I was the one here who was installing it, or at least part of the time. Some of that ductwork back there. Nice hard pipe duct system. We have a bypass up here for a zone system. You can see the zone boards up there. It's made out of Reflectix, or insulated with Reflectix, which I almost think that I did. It's one of them things where guys, you've been working in the field a long time and you don't remember if you did something or someone else did it or not. I think I did. I'm not sure. Got a filter right there. Got the box on the back, so I'm going to start taking this thing apart so we can get it down out of here. I forgot there was an elevator. Damn it. I could have taken the elevator, but we definitely will now. 3-wire dampers, you know, those are newer. Because back when we first did this, we were using 2-wire dampers. A little bit of yucky stuff. We have a static pressure sensing switch for the bypass, which comes in right up here. Looks like it ties into blue, which is common, and green, which is fan. So make sure to remember that for later. We're taking this apart. Wire comes up through here, over to there. I'm taking out a zone system. You want to make sure you keep track of the wiring, especially if you're reusing components, so you don't get mixed up later. It's one of the reasons I'm making this video clip right here. This unit was about 12 years old, and it looks kind of rough. Down the beach, it gets eaten out really bad. You can see all the fins laying everywhere and all the copper tubes exposed. You can see they coated it with some sort of silver paint or something. So we have the air handler kind of freed up from the two boxes. The bypass is kind of holding them in place. There's hanging straps on the back of them. You can see them going up. Got the air handler out. Coil taken out and taken downstairs. He's going to get some stuff to kind of make sure the floor doesn't get damaged right there. Get a bunch of stuff on it. Man, oh man, I think I found the original piston too. We switched it to a TXV. Oh my. So that's the kind of work I did years ago. I just left the piston in the drain pan. That was back before YouTube straightened me out, guys. The drain pan looks a little bit rough, but if you get up close to it, I bet it looks like artwork from these designs. We got the Rheem air handler all taken apart. The huge ass coil that weighs a lot, even though it's aluminum. Got the heater loosely sitting in here. We have to screw it in. Got two high voltage wires that are going to feed in to the other side right there. And one plug. It's going to plug in down there. And we should be good to go. We're going to lift it up after that. Try to get it fitted up in the attic and see if we can't get it tied in ductwork wise here in the next hour or so. Well, that's exactly what I need. It allows me to do these jobs because I use these as the clips I would be working on at home or doing something else.
And it's real life stuff.
It's real life stuff, so it's respectable. See, those people don't respect people on keyboards. They only respect people that, you know, lift up stuff and get
You didn't
injured.
start from the keyboard. You started the other way.
I know, but some of them have short memories.
You want me to reach down or?
I'm going to try to get it over here and lift it straight up to you. Let's see.
What I can do
Tilt it up.
is if you can come, so I can grab.
Well, how are you going to lift up there?
Once I get it, once I support it, you can get under it.
All right, let's do this thing.
Okay. I've got just the middle.
Yeah. Right up, Molly.
Can you support that right there?
Yep. I got it.
All right, hold on one second. Let me get up.
That's right. Podcast that, bitch. So we have a supply box on one end, return box on the other end. It doesn't quite fit, so we're going to have to pan it off, get a piece of angle, and put it on both sides. That's our filter box right here. Really nice. A Rheem. Rheem. Very nice. So I'm just going to finish those off. Since they're supply boxes, it isn't going to hurt anything just to pan things off like that. It's not going to affect airflow or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that. Hopefully get this thing buttoned up before I have to leave for the day. This is the kind of thing that I could get used to, working in a house like this. Oh yeah. Oh yes sir, yes sir. Oh yes sir, yes sir. We got ourselves an elevator, baby. I wonder what that button down there does. I bet that's the fun button. I should press it.
And then the day was done. We closed another page in the book of life as we left this air handler back. And let's look at the Goodman unit. Going to where a Goodman unit belongs. The depths and confines of the deepest, darkest scrap pile. If you would like to support HVAC Shop Talk, please go to subscribestar.com/Zach-Ciota. I would love to welcome our brand new Subscribe Star subscribers, Brian Duncan and Clint Glasgow. Thank you guys for the support. We couldn't do it without you.